Change date format in Google Sheets. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. After the page loads, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that already contains date data. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely so all cells and menus are visible on the screen. Once the worksheet is ready, locate the cells that contain the date values you want to modify. Next, select the cells that contain the dates. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the cells. Make sure the correct cells are selected so the formatting change will apply to the intended data. After confirming the selection, move your cursor to the top menu bar of the spreadsheet interface. Look for the Format menu at the top of the page. Click the Format menu to open the drop-down list that contains several formatting options. Inside the list, find the number option. Move your cursor over the number option without clicking it. After hovering, wait until a side menu appears that shows more number formatting choices. In this submenu, observe the different number format options available. Look through the list until you find a date format. Once you locate it, click the date option to apply it to the selected cells. After selecting this option, you will notice that the dates in the spreadsheet update according to the standard date format. If you want to apply a more customized date format, continue with the next steps. Move your cursor back to the Format menu located in the top toolbar. Click Format again to reopen the drop-down list. After the list appears, look for the Custom Date and Time option. Click this option to open a new dialog box. Wait until the Custom Format dialog box appears on your screen. Inside this window, you will see several date format options that you can use. You will also notice that Google Sheets allows you to customize the arrangement of the day, month, and year. Choose whether the day should appear at the beginning, middle, or end of the date. Then adjust the month position according to your preference. If necessary, change the position of the year as well. Continue modifying the date format until it matches your desired layout. Finally, click the Apply button to apply the custom date format.